We all know that plywood and other sheet goods don't come close to their nominal dimensions these days. So solve the problem of making dados that fit properly by avoiding measuring altogether with the exact width dado jig. To get started, break in the replaceable PVC edge guides to precisely match your router bit, and guide bushing setup. From that point on, all you have to do is fit your stock tightly between the edge guides and clamp everything in place. When routing, the guide bushing follows a phenolic rail, while the router bit cuts exactly in line with the edge guides. Plus, it's easy to hide joinery with the adjustable stops at both ends of the jig, which stop your router short of the edge. The exact width dado jig features a handy offset scale that slides out of its track to set router depth of cut. The scale compensates for the thickness of the jig. You don't have to do any math, just set the depth you want. Also included is a precision machined half-inch diameter Porter cable style template guide bushing. But don't worry, if your router uses a different style guide bushing, it will still work perfectly. The jig is constructed with stainless steel clamping pads on each side, and one end forms a square to keep your dado perpendicular to your workpiece edge. Plus, the guide rails are solid phenolic, the same tough material we use in our top-of-the-line router tables, making this a bulletproof, lifetime tool that will keep your dados fitting perfectly for years, no matter what the plywood manufacturers do in the future. Now the exact width dado jig is available in 3 sizes. If you work mostly with smaller cabinets, bookcases, and wall-hung cabinets, the 14.5-inch model is perfect. The original 24.5-inch model covers most cabinetry needs, unless you always seem to find yourself making something just a little bigger than normal. For you, there's a 32.5-inch version. And like all tools from Woodpeckers, the exact width dado jig is precision made in the USA.